brand personality framework and how it fits into our consumer behavior class. Let's start simple by defining what a brand is. A brand is a name, term, symbol, design, or combination thereof that identifies the seller's products and differentiates them from the competitor's products.
For example, the symbol of McDonald's Golden Arches identifies the brand to consumers before they even hear the name. Things associated with the Loyola brand include things like Cursus Personalis, Evergreen, Greyhounds, Jesuit Education, Community Service, and the list goes on.
A key tool of building a brand is positioning, or how you want people to think about your product or service. A reputable brand is hard to build but very easy to break. For example, Chipotle is in the process of regaining consumer trust after the E. coli outbreak that occurred last year.
In order for marketers to target different consumer segments, they create brand personalities. A brand personality is a set of human characteristics that are attributed to a brand name. A brand personality is something to which the consumer can relate.
The brand personality framework is divided into 5 different personalities. These are sincerity, excitement, ruggedness, competence, and sophistication. We are going to apply this framework to different brands of beer in order to give a clearer explanation of these 5 personalities and how different brands fit into each.
The first personality we are going to talk about is sincerity. The brand Miller Lite is personified as being cheerful, sentimental, honest, family-oriented, and down-to-earth. We are now going to play a commercial that shows this personality of Miller Lite.
Thank you. Here's to that friend you've known since forever. The one who's been through it all with you. From playoff wins to girlfriends lost. A guy you know better than anyone. Even if you've never called him by his real name.
Hey, Dad. Buddy.
As you can see, Miller Lite exhibits sincerity to target average, everyday people who treasure family.
The next brand personality is excitement, which is characterized by being daring, trendy, unique, imaginative, and contemporary. Dos Equis portrays this personality by having a series of commercials focused towards the concept of being the most interesting man in the world. Here's one example.
He is the most interesting man in the world.
¿Crees que habrá alguien tan interesante como él?
No es fácil saberlo.
From this video, it can be seen that Dos Equis is using excitement to target adventurous, single men.
Another type of brand personality is competence. Michelob Ultra is a brand that has this characteristic because it is viewed as reliable, secure, hardworking, and confident. Commercials and advertisements for Michelob Ultra focus on groups of friends getting together, exercising, and enjoying each other's company. The message this brand conveys targets active young adults.
Sophistication is another type of personality that a brand can have. We chose the brand Stella Artois for this concept because the company portrays itself as stylish, upper class, and smooth. These characteristics are seen in the advertisements included in this slide. Many of their video ads focus on stylish, upper-class men, which is their targeted market.
The last characteristic is ruggedness, which is defined by characteristics like being outdoorsy, masculine, and tough. Budweiser's rugged personality can be seen in the following commercial, which shows a masculine man drinking his manly beer. Through this personality, Budweiser works to target manly outdoorsmen.
We hope that you gained a better understanding of the brand personality framework. All brands have personalities, and it is important for marketers to use them as a tool to reach their consumers. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, good morning to all.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Morning. Okay, anyway, in today's class, we are going to talk about the brand personality. What is this brand personality and how it will be worked out? So already you have seen that one video. In that video, they have been very clearly describing that different personalities we have. And before that, they were talking about what is meant by brand. Now, the brand is maybe a logo or a symbol or a punchline, which is going to be very clearly explained about the company product. Now, our subject is talking about brand personality. Here, the personality should be alive. They will come forward in front of you and they will be sure that, or they will be do some sort of work by seeing the way of what they're presenting and they're completing. Based on that, we will be strongly decide in our mind what kind of personality of opposite person. Sometimes we are assigning the work for our fellow friend for completion. He will complete the work on the time. If we assign same work for another friend, he will take a couple of days for completion of the particular work. Like that, you have been assigned 4 or 5 times work for both of them. So in the 6th time or 7th time, you will be understand who will complete the work on time with a 0 errors. Now here also, we are going to be determine the human personality, who are all will take the task or the work which was given by us, who will take seriousness, who will do that sophisticated way, who will do rude way. So we are having a personal interaction with the people, and based on that, we are going to have an image. Based on that, we are going to have an imagination on opposite personality. Now you can see an example like who are all having same kind of ideas, same kind of thinking, and they will become a good friends because both the personalities having same kind of trait or same kind of characteristics, so that which is going to be combined them in a strongest way. Now here, usually we are going to give, or we are going to be settled in the market by brand. If you talk about the Tata company by 4-wheelers, everybody will be talking about Jaguar, which is going to be earned most of the profits by the Tata group of company. That may be a one brand of a Tata group. But what about the other companies? Other companies also, they are producing by different products by a different brands. Thumbs Up is a brand. By seeing that brand or by seeing that image, we are going to have a strong determination in our mind what kind of drink we are going to have. Now, the brand personalities will be indicating, or the personalities, we are going to see their behavior, the pattern of communication, the pattern of performance, the pattern of behavior with the other people, or the personality behavior or the kind of relationship with the customers. Now I'm talking about by one MNC company product. Now MNC company product, how they are having a close interaction with the market. For example, like MTN or MTL, some sort of telecom network. Now what kind of relationship they are having with the market or by the customers in the market. Very poor. Because people are refused to use your telecommunication SIM card. So your brand was failed. Once your brand was failed, ultimately all human beings or all kind of personalities will be showing a strong resistance to use about by your product. Why all the personalities are refused to use about your product? Because of the service providing by MTL was not good. Network problem or recharge problem or net facilities or different problems, you are completely decided I don't want to use about by the particular product. Now the brand how it is going to be performed in a multiple dimension. Already we have seen in the video by different brand personalities: sincerity, excitement, competence, sophistication, and rudeness. Now, in the scene that in the first video, in the first 31 seconds, one person went to the bakery. He brought some cheese or bread. So honestly, he has taken and he went to house. He has welcomed by his father. Now here, the people, whatever work you are assigning to them, they will do their work honestly. They won't involve any kind of fraudulence work. And happily they will do their work. Like these kind of personalities we are going to call as sincerity or sincere brand personalities. But mostly what companies will do that initially they will follow by a sincere brand personalities. When there is a huge demand of their company products, slowly what they will do that they will also involve different kinds of fraudulence, duplicate, or semi-quality or poor quality services they are providing for the public. So that slowly the companies are going to left from the market. But being a good brand or being a MNC company, or if you want to settle down in the market, you need to have quality, sincerity about by your product. You have to believe each and every customer is important for you. You should not escalate or you should not give an excuse for anybody else. Everybody you need to consider as an equal. Now the second kind of brand is like excitement. Now here the products can be used at the time of daring, spirited, imaginative, or up to date. Whenever you feel so excitement or whenever you feel an happiest moment or you really feel so excited about by the particular task completion, you feel that you are unable to complete by the particular project or a particular task within time, but you have been completed by your smart and hard work. So you are going to be excited, or suddenly you may got your promotion to the higher level. So due to the time of the excitement, what kind of personality is going to be split out? How you will be doing your works, and what is your dimension, how you are going to be expressing about an individuality. Now this is about by the individual personality. When you talk about by the brand related personality, companies also, when they have been introduced their product in the market, they will have a little bit of excitement whether my product is going to be success or fail. For example, yesterday I have seen that Happy Minds, a new software company, was entered to the Indian market. Happiest Mind. So they will have a little bit excitement because already in India we have many MNC companies who are manufacturing by software products. So once they're entering to the market, they will have a little bit of excitement and tension also. Will we be able to sustain? Will we be able to get the projects? So what is our future plan? for sustaining of our brand. So this kind of excitement will be described or explaining about what kind of personality you are. Third one, competence. This is naturally. Nowadays, we are going to be working in perfect competition. In the perfect competition, good number of buyers we have, good number of sellers we have. Whenever you have been introduced a new product, automatically your competitors also will be introducing by the new product. Whenever you done any changes in your product related quality, quantity, price, packing, design, automatically your competitors also will be following. Because when you done new changes, they will be think like we are not updated. When you done new changes, customers may feel the company was done some sort of changes in the existing product. So we'll try it. Automatically what will happen? Other company sales will be decreased and their profit will be low. So what they will do, they will observe the entire market by the competition. Based on the competition, they will also done by certain changes. So the brand personality will be giving you an intelligent way of changes. Or in one way, if you have by the packing, quality, quantity, and producing and selling to the buyers, when you done some sort of changes, it may show more impact on your sales or less impact also sometimes. If in case it is shown that more impact on your sales was double, then you will be understood like it is showing a positive impact on the market. That is the reason many companies, what they will do before introducing their product to the Indian market, they will be interested to give about advertisement. They will create so much of curiosity in the market. Existing companies will be having a fear. Why this new company is coming and what kind of new features they are having? Can we give competition for them? So this is a creation of one kind of competition before entering the product in the market. So they will be seeing all these patterns and then the product will be slowly entering to the market. Next, last but one, sophistication. So this sophistication is like the brand will be enter the market without any kind of any high rate of hypes. Smoothly it will be entered. Everybody will be buying, or people will be refuse about the product. Slowly it is going to be eliminating from the market. Or it is going to be targeting about by certain people only, maybe an upper class or middle class, and it will target to them, and wherever the people are available, they will provide products for them only. Really, we don't know the product was really available in the particular market. So companies are like that also we are going to be have. Best example, you just have a look on that film industry. In the film industry, some film stars will be acting some movies, even Bollywood stars or Kollywood or Tollywood, whoever it is. Stars will be acting in some movies. So once it is go for the censor also clear. Now they will be understood the movie will not be having the content. If you release the movie, the unnecessary, we are unable to get by at least by distribution expenditure. Your investment also you won't be get. If you release in theaters, then definitely we are going to face by the loss. So what producers and all these people will do, they won't release the movie in theaters. Directly they will release in the televisions or YouTubes. So after some time they will be understood. So the movie was acted by one film star, but the movie quality, story and the budget is too low, and they understood that this film will not be a success. So they have been released their movie in YouTube or by the somewhere else. So certain people, that means who are all The fans of the particular hero, they will be watching. And after some time, hero, they themselves also will not be count. I was acted in so and so movie. Now, when you see when it comes to the brand personality, this is a greatest drawback for the particular hero or by particular directors. Now, their brand image is going to be decreased. Now, if we see in entire movie industry, we have seen many directors. All these directors are directed more than 500 films or 200 films, 100 films. You just compare their craze versus an upcoming director like Rajamouli. Rajamouli, I heard he was directed not more than 12 movies, 1 to 12 movies. But advantage for him is all 12 movies are super hit. So it has taken him to go for highest brand in pan-India movies. So the sophisticated or the personality or the brand image also will be elevating your charming, your grooming. Last one, rudeness. Now this we know very well. Everywhere this rudeness and excitement are little bit similar, but excitement there is a limit, but this rudeness there is no limit. They will cross their borders. They will cross their limits. So out of the border or out of their limits, they will be behave. And due to this, it will be showing high rate of negative impact about by the personality. And these kind of products will be highly attracting the people for a bad way, or a negative attraction will be very, very high in this kind of personalities. Next, social class personality. So already we have seen that in the previous slide. In the sophistication, they will be focusing one particular level of people and they will be introducing by their product. Now here the social class. Social class also we are going to be called as one particular group of people. Why we are calling this one particular group of people? Because in these people, they are having one specific common thing. That is maybe a social economic status. Or mostly this is going to be highly influencing India like developing countries. Because in India, if we have a look on that, most of the Indians are middle class or the below or above middle class range only. We are going to have more than 50%. 6 to 10% we are going to be having higher class and rest of below poverty line. Now here 3 levels we have. Each and every level we are going to be called as 3 different social classes. So mostly in India, if you want to do any kind of social activity or if you want to do anything, we are going to be required the fuel, that is money. So here the social, that means your group plus economic, financial. So your group plus financial aspects will be an important class where it is going to be influencing on your personality. While we are talking about only by the financial aspects or by the grouping activities in the sense of, in Indian the culture is like once you are earning huge quantity of money, your buying style is going to be changed. Your buying style is going to be changed. At the same time, immediately people will be thinking they want to change or they want to deviate about by their socialistical groups. For example, one person was born and brought at a slum area. Once he was start to earn, what he will think, I want to live in a good environment. So immediately he will come out from the slum area. So he will be going for a good backgrounded area. So where it is going to be having all kind of facilities. He will take one land, he will construct the house, or he will buy a flat, or he will go somewhere as a rental base. So because of your economical status or your financial factors influence is more on to changing your personalities. And also the economic circumstances are, it is widely confused to calculation of the census. Last year you are in the slum, and this year suddenly you are going to be come upon middle class. Now once you are going to be changed, then what could be the reason for improvement in your social class? And what could be the impact on the particular group of people? It is all like a scientifically will be showing impact on each and every social class. That is the reason when you conduct the census for every 10 years once, the data is going to be varied. And this year you are having one kind of social status, and next year you may be passed away, or you may be going down, or you may go up. So government is expecting something, but in reality the social class was differed. So that they will be taking, or they will be using artificial intelligence. There is some sort of 5% differences or 10% differences, and based on that they will start to mobilize, or they will start to implement by their projects. Here also we are going to be we are also going to be collecting about different theories. If you have a look on that motivational theory, which was proposed by Abraham Maslow. Abraham Maslow was very clearly defining in 5 levels. In the first level, he was talking about physiological needs. Every human being, they need food, shelter, cloth. If you see in India, everybody was fulfilled about these 3 basic aspects. Second one, he will be thinking about, I need a safety. Safety, we are going to be required, utmost requirement. I hope you may heard about the recent statement which was given by Bollywood film star Kangana about Thackeray government and against to the police people at Mumbai. So Thackeray government has issued a strong notice to the Kangana. Hereafter, you should not come for the Mumbai. If you come to Mumbai, then definitely we will refuse you. Kangana also has given the statement like, this September 9th, I am coming to Mumbai, I will see who will stop me. In the issue of Sushant, suicide issue. So she was trying to elevate one element, and based on that, it was affected to her safety needs. So if in case 9th anything happened to her, then entire world will be looking to the Mumbai only. So like that, the socialistical theory, the concepts will be very clearly focusing about the individual sharing. What kind of social class people are giving the statement and what could be the impact on them. If I am giving a statement like that, will they able to consider? No. Because she belongs to the upper social class and well-known lady, and she has acted many films, and herself having a socialistic, she's having a socialistical status in the society in many other aspects, are highly influencing her to what we call to propagate, or she might have seen many aspects and that was also showing an impact on her socialistical class impact. Okay, guys, next class we'll talk about in detail about what is group dynamics, what are all the characteristics we have under group dynamics, and the group dynamics, how it will be influencing on brand personality. Okay, I would like to read out the attendance who are all present for today's class. So the presentees are Gopi, Surendra, Yuvarani, Baby Janani, Saran Kumar,